Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey along one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Great Wall of China. But this isn't just a travel guide. We're uncovering the history, secrets, and tips you need to know before walking this ancient wonder. From its construction to its hidden stories, this video will change the way you see the Great Wall. Let's get started. The Great Wall wasn't built in a day, or even by one dynasty. Its construction began over 2,000 years ago during the Warring States period, but it was Emperor Qin Shi Huang who connected and expanded the walls to protect China from northern invaders. Over the centuries, the wall was rebuilt and extended by later dynasties, especially the Ming Dynasty, which gave us most of the wall we see today. Contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall isn't a single continuous structure. It's a network of walls and fortifications stretching over 13,000 miles, that's longer than the distance from New York to Sydney. But not all sections are well preserved. Some parts are crumbling, while others have been restored for tourists. The most famous sections, like Battling and Mushinyu, are easily accessible, but if you're up for an adventure, there are wild, unrestored sections waiting to be explored. Building the Great Wall was no small feat. It was constructed using materials like stone, brick, and tamped earth. But here's a shocking secret: the mortar used to hold the bricks together was made from sticky rice. Yes, rice. This ancient recipe made the wall incredibly strong and durable. The construction also involved millions of workers, including soldiers, peasants, and even prisoners. It's estimated that over 1 million people died building the wall, earning it the nickname the longest cemetery on Earth. The Great Wall wasn't just a barrier, it was a sophisticated defense system. It had watchtowers for surveillance, garrison stations for troops, and even hidden passages for soldiers to move undetected. Some sections also had signal towers to send messages using smoke or fire. It was like an ancient version of a high-tech security system. Here's a myth we need to bust: the Great Wall is not visible from space with the naked eye. While it's an impressive structure, it's not wide enough to be seen from such a distance. This myth has been debunked by astronauts, but it's still a fun fact to share at parties. The Great Wall wasn't just about defense, it also played a key role in trade and culture. It protected the Silk Road, the ancient trade route that connected China to the West. The wall also facilitated cultural exchange, as merchants, travelers, and soldiers brought new ideas, goods, and technologies to China. Today, the Great Wall is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Millions of visitors come each year to walk its ancient paths and take in the stunning views. But with tourism comes challenges, like erosion and overcrowding. Efforts are being made to preserve the wall, but it's up to all of us to respect and protect this incredible piece of history. Planning to walk the Great Wall? Here are some tips to make your trip unforgettable. Choose the right section. Battling is the most popular but crowded. For a quieter experience, try Jinshanling or Jiangku. Wear comfortable shoes, the wall is steep and uneven in places. Bring water and snacks, there aren't many facilities along the way. Start early, beat the crowds and enjoy the sunrise. Respect the wall, don't climb on fragile sections or leave trash behind. The Great Wall is more than just a wall. It's a symbol of China's resilience, ingenuity, and history. It's a reminder that even the greatest challenges can be overcome with determination and teamwork. As the saying goes, he who has not climbed the Great Wall is not a true man. So there you have it, walking the Great Wall of China, what you need to know. From its ancient secrets to its modern-day challenges, this iconic landmark continues to inspire awe and wonder. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite fact about the Great Wall? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.